Hey everybody, welcome to the fire sale sneak peek video for this week's fire sale. All right, let's see what we have. Number one is a white Christmas and earring set. So you're going to get everything you see there under number one, $10. Then we have a bell ornament earring set, $10 for those. Then we have a number three, bell Santa earring set, $10 for those. Then we have the number four is a 6-chain set of various different styles of chains, necklaces, $15 for all 6 of those. Number 5 is the Love Diffuser necklace. It does say love, kind of in the shape of a heart. All the different pads, you can put essential oils on it, $10. Number 6 is the ring, bracelet, and earring lot. $15. $15. A lot of 4 things there. Then we have number 7, a craft bag, sterling, pearls, rings, various different things, $20 for that whole bag of jewelry.
Pearl necklace is the one that's broken.
Yes, broken pearl necklace, but it looks like real pearls. All right, number 8, laundry metal sign, $12.50. So it says, drop your pants here. Number 9 is the coffee metal sign, $12.50, 2 of those available. Number 10 is go to the kitchen sign, $12.50, 2 of those available. Number 11 is the reindeer tea light 6-pack, $10, 5 of those available. Number 12 is the Paul Revere lantern, $15, 3 of those available, and that would be it for those. Number 13 is the Water Wow Activity Melissa and Doug Activity Pad, $5, 5 of those available. Number 14 is the Philips 60 set of mini warm lights, $7.50 for those nice Christmas lights, 5 of them available. Number 15 is the picnic basket at $12.50, 3 of those available. Number 16 is the black crossbody purse, $7.50, 3 of those available. Number 17 is the wrist blood pressure monitor, $15, 5 of those available. Number 18 is the natural foliage fountain, $12.50, comes with the pump and everything, 2 of those available, last 2 I have left. Number 19 is the graffiti pink crossbody bag, $25. Number 20 is the wire Christmas tree, $12.50, all handmade, 4 of those available. Number 21 is the 5-piece deep pocket split king set, $20 in that pretty green, 1 of those available. Number 22 is on the other table. Number 22 is 1 pair of odor eaters, $5. We have 5 sets available. Number 23 is the Play-Doh 2-pack, $7.50, 1 of those available. Number 24 is a corner shelf, oak, 12 inches in size, $10, 3 of those available. Number 25 is the hot sleeve for straightener, a hair straightener, $5. Number 26 is a touchscreen Sudoku game, electronic, $10. Number 27 is a Boyd Bear figurine of a girl, $10. Number 28 is a boy bear figurine of a praying boy, $10. Number 29 is a 3-pack of odor eaters, $5, 3 of those available. Number 30 is a nice figurine of a child sewing with a bear there, $15. Number 31. Oh, yeah. Sorry, you don't get to see number 31. Everything past number 30 is a surprise to everybody on the fire sale. See you tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time every Thursday for the fire sales. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.